Pi holders, listen up. Want to cash out your Pi tokens but don't know how? I got you. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to transfer Pi from your Pi browser wallet to OKX and sell it for USDT, fast and easy. First things first, open the Pi browser app and go to wallet.pi. Log in with your credentials and you'll see your Pi balance. This is where the magic begins. Now let's get your Pi tokens over to OKX. You can use the link in the description if you don't have OKX yet. Head to okx.com or the OKX app. Go to the homepage and click Deposit. Search for PI coin and click on it. Select the sender, in this case, your private wallet. Click Continue. Copy your Pi deposit address. This is where we'll send your Pi. Back in your Pi wallet, click Send. Paste your OKX deposit address. Enter the amount you want to send and hit Confirm. Double check your address. Mistakes equals lost Pi forever. Now, we wait for confirmation. Pi transfers can take some time, so be patient. You can check your transaction status in the Pi wallet transaction history. If we go to the portfolio, it will say our balance is locked. Let's fix that. Click Check Details. Submit to submit a verification. Select you received the token from a private wallet and that you own the wallet. And your Pi coins will be deposited. Once your Pi arrives in OKX, we're ready to sell. Go to the OKX trade section, search for the PI/USDT trading pair, enter the amount of Pi token you want to sell, and select market order to sell instantly or limit order if you want a better price. Boom, your Pi is now USDT. Now that you have USDT, you can withdraw it to your bank or transfer it to another crypto wallet. Head to Withdraw, greater than select USDT, greater than choose your method, and done. And that's how you sell Pi on OKX like a pro. If this guide helped, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.